Hi, this is Molly with Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot you a quick video just to show you a few things that you can do utilizing your website and your Google Business Profile. So taking a look at your site right now, looks good. Let's close that out. All the links are clickable, which is really, really important. Um, One thing that I would recommend, believe it or not, is content. Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. The reason for this is that if you have that much content, you can strategically place keywords all throughout. Now, what a keyword is, that is what shows Google the searches that you want to show up for. So think about what your clients are going to search to find you, and that's what a keyword would be. So let's take a look. This is how your site is performing on the web. Right now, you're only getting 16 clicks a month to your site. So that is based on these numbers right here. You have 181 backlinks coming from 42 referring domains. So this is your strength and trust with Google. The way you boost these numbers is by getting more backlinks coming from referring domains. But the thing is not all domains are created equal. Some are very spammy and some are more authoritative. So you do want to go after the ones that have that authority. So right now, out of your 42 referring domains, only 33 of them are actually doing you any good. The rest of them, they're not pointing direction back to you. You also are only ranking for 22 keywords. So let's take a look. Now, with keywords, there's two different types. There is informational or branded ones, or there's local buyer intent. And so those are the keywords you really want to go after. So like this, home inspection, Cambridge, Massachusetts. That's not a high volume one. That's only searched 60 times a month. And you're only getting 6 of those clicks because you're ranked number 5. Let's see. So home inspector Boston, that's a high volume keyword. That's searched 500 times a month. However, you're not getting any of those clicks because you're ranked 52. And same for all the different variations. Home inspection, Boston, these are all considered different searches. So that's searched 450 times a month. You're ranked 53. So again, 0 clicks. So let's take a look. So I decided to search home inspector Boston to see who does come up. So the first thing that people are going to see is this Google Business area, the Google Maps area. This is where your Google Business Profile really comes into play. The thing with this is, you want to do what you can to make sure you rank in the top 3 in your area here, because 30 to 40% of the people who search are going to stop and click on one of these sites. So it's a high search volume. So the ways that you can rank, make sure that your Google Business Profile is filled out completely, and especially the bottom part, that is optimized using keywords. You want to be posting branded or geotagged photos to your Google Business Profile weekly. Be sure to be responding to every one of the Google reviews that you do receive. A lot of business owners don't know that they're supposed to be doing that. But the most important thing is citations. So a citation is any time that your Google business name, number, address are listed throughout various directories on the web, such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There are thousands of directories out there, so you do want to go out and give your information to as many of those as possible. Google is a big popularity contest. So the next thing is the organic section. One of the top competitors is BHI, Boston Home Inspection. They have 376 backlinks coming from 116 referring domains. So you want to find your competitors, go in here, see what referring domains they're listed at, and make sure that you're listed at all those too. But not only match that, you want to beat them by at least 100 referring domains. They're getting 683 hits a month to their site, and that's because they have got really great keywords. They're ranking for 113 of them. So let's take a look. So if you want to find your competitors and see what high volume keywords they're ranking for, so you can rank for those too. So yeah, Boston Home Inspectors, that searched 500 times. They're getting 176 of those clicks because they're ranked in position 1. And all the different variations, Home Inspector Boston, Boston Home Inspector. And the same would apply for Cambridge, or for, if you even go all the way down to Braintree, or the various places that you do service. You want that all listed on your homepage. So I hope that this search or that this video has been helpful. Again, it's just a really great way to utilize your website and your Google business profile. It's going to help you rank on Google and be seen by those clients who are looking for you. So I hope this video is beneficial and we would love to hear your feedback. Have a great day.